Joining us now is Mariah. She's an environmental health specialist from Atlanta, Georgia. Hey, Mariah, thanks for joining in today's conversation.
Thanks for having me.
For our viewers who may not know you, can you first tell us a little bit about your background?
Yes, so I have a degree in biology and also have a master's in public health and concentration of environmental health. I currently am a compliance specialist that specializes in food safety.
Awesome, awesome. So, in regards to people purchasing food for groceries, what PPE should people use and what precautions should they take to keep themselves safe?
For safety, wearing a mask is recommended by the CDC, but gloves are not being recommended at the time. They are recommending to leave the gloves for medical personnel due to the shortage and also due to cross contamination that people are doing while at the store. So, for example, they are touching groceries that they are buying, but then end up touching their cell phone,
Mhm.
touching their personal devices, and that is transferring into cross contamination.
So, cross contamination is a big problem. What advice or items would you suggest people to use or take when they are making these essential trips?
Yes, so when you are out, it's recommended to keep sanitizer with you and also be careful what you touch. Be mindful of your environment. So when you are touching things, you do not touch your face, such as your eyes, your nose, and your mouth, so you don't cross contaminate yourself and carry those germs within. Also, when you are home, it is recommended that you do sanitize any items that were out, such as your phone. For example, you can use alcohol wipes or also rubbing alcohol and just wipe your surfaces, anything that's out, just wipe the surfaces down. Also, the steering wheel of your car, I actually do wipe that down and sanitize it from every use, just so that I don't cross contaminate myself.
So, how can people properly wear their PPE and ensure they aren't harming themselves more with cross contamination?
Yeah, so I'm going to do a demonstration on how to properly put on your PPE and also how to properly take off your PPE. So
Great.
first I'm going to start with the gloves. So for me personally, I check the gloves to make sure there's no tears. So I'm doing that right now. So it's like inspecting your gloves. Then you can put your gloves on. Doesn't matter which hand you put on first. So I started with my left hand. So once you put your gloves on, you go outside and you touch anything, they're becoming contaminated. So to prevent contamination, you pitch the glove on your palm and then you pull it up. So I have the contaminated glove on my other hand. So I use my finger like this and put it underneath the glove. And then I'm going to pull it forward, putting the other glove inside the other glove. And that's how you prevent cross contamination.
Great, great.
For the mask, I put my hands to the strap so that I don't get confused and also get mixed up of how I put it on my head. So when I put my hands to the straps, donning means on, putting on your mask. I put my hands to the straps and I put the first strap over my head on top. And then I put the bottom closer to my neck so that when you do wear the mask, you can know where each strap is so you don't get confused. When you take it off, now just imagine you are outside. All this is contaminated. You cannot touch the mask barehanded because it's contaminated. So when you take it off, you have to use the straps. I normally put the top strap off and then under the bottom strap, holding the mask just like this and not contaminating yourself again.
Awesome, awesome. I'm sure a lot of people watching will find this very helpful and useful, especially when it comes to putting on a mask and taking it off, because I know a lot of times people are not wearing their proper equipment the right way, or they're just touching everything while they have their personal protective equipment on. Well, Mariah, thank you so much for joining us and providing your insight and expertise to keep us safe. Stay safe.
Thanks, you too.